Hello everyone. Um, Another video from AI Leela and from me. So this is about a concept of ABC, which is AI and Blockchain Council at city level. So we are, as a company, coming up with a program uh, or sort of a group, let's say, at a city level where we will be tying up with educational institutes and train their students and faculties on AI and blockchain especially. These are the two technologies which are going to impact humanity at a mass scale in coming years. And and there is a lot to learn, though both of these things are very complex. Like AI is at least easy to understand in the sense of how to use, but how AI works is a bit difficult. However, blockchain is a completely different game. Understanding blockchain, even conceptually, is difficult and it will take time. But if you are following the news, you will see that just on the 30th of July, there was a conference Bitcoin 2024. I think 26, 27 or something like that. Bitcoin 2024, where Donald Trump, the previous president of United States, actually gave a keynote lecture session. So United States is coming up with their own reserve program, Bitcoin reserve program, where as a government they will be storing Bitcoin. And that's the commitment that that's the commitment that Donald Trump is giving to the people if he gets elected. And the elections are in November. Nonetheless, whatever happens in the elections, one thing is clear, that politicians and geopolitical relations are not going to be same anymore, because now all political leaders have understood the importance of crypto as an industry and understand the possibilities and impact it will have on humanity. So it's a big shift in the mindset of the world leaders, and that is what is going to drive a further growth in blockchain and Bitcoin and overall in general in everything, like blockchain as an industry, blockchain as a layer of internet. And hence, given that the topic is itself difficult, um, it's rather important that even now, when AI only is in hype and not blockchain, it's time that we spend some time learning about it and understand it to its deeper roots. Not technically at least, but conceptually, practically, and how to actually use the blockchain platform. So a lot of things will happen in India as well. All right, so AI and blockchain, these two are the primary technologies which are going to be drivers of the whole planet for next, let's say, a decade or two or more. And after that, it's going to be like a common playground for everyone. So just like everybody has a mobile phone, everybody will have a crypto wallet, everybody will have an AI assistant supporting him. The key is how fast we adapt these technologies and how well we use it in our daily life, so that we stay on top of the game. So yes, ABC, AI and Blockchain Council for initially colleges. And so if you are listening to this and you are a student, college student, or you are a faculty at some college of any college in India, then do reach out. Uh, we have a dedicated sessions planned in this whole program, where through a series of dialogues over a month, students will get conceptual and practical hands-on idea of using AI, using blockchain, and understanding all these things, and also understanding how this whole thing is going to impact the humanity. Well, thank you so much. It's raining here in Uttarakhand, and I was just watching Bitcoin 2024, and I was like, I have to make this video right now. So here we are. All right. Thank you. Bye. See you.